Here's a short video that highlights operations in the busy airspace in the Seattle area. After refueling at Tacoma Narrows, which has become a popular destination, I made a quick hop back to Boeing Field via the Blake Island arrival from the west, used when Boeing Field is in a south flow, using runways 14 left and 14 right.
Heading 170, that's all good. VORs are good. Okay. Tacoma ground, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrots by the fuel pumps. Information Delta via far northbound.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Tacoma ground, runway 17, taxi Bravo 1 at Alpha.
17 Bravo 1 at Alpha, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Let's do this. Let's send our flight plan back up to the...
Stationary 52 Alpha Charlie, Tacoma ground, runway 17, taxi Bravo 3 in Alpha.
17 Bravo 3 in Alpha, 52 Alpha Charlie.
Tacoma Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrots, 17 Alpha 1 via far northbound.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Tacoma Tower, roger, hold short, runway 17, number 3 for departure.
Hold short 17, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot.
Tacoma Tower, system 3506 Tango has Delta over the Purdy Bridge for full stop.
System 3506 Tango, Tacoma Tower, make a straight in, runway 17, report over Gig Harbor.
Straight into runway 17, reporting over Gig Harbor, 06 Tango.
Cessna 20 Delta, make a right downwind departure to the northwest, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Right downwind departure for runway 17, 20 Delta.
Cessna 071, continue upwind, follow the Cessna 1 mile off the departure end.
Cool, continue upwind, 071.
Tacoma Tower, Pilatus 625 Mike Charlie, holding short 17 in sequence via far to the north.
Pilatus 65 Mike Charlie, Tacoma Tower, roger, hold short, runway 17, your number 5 for departure.
Hold short 17, number 5, 65 Mike Charlie.
Cutlass 12 Bravo, west departure approved, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Runway 17, clear for takeoff, 12 Bravo.
Cessna 556 November Delta, taxi up behind the Bonanza.
Copy, we're taxiing up behind the Bonanza, 556 November Delta.
Skyx 64 Charlie, start your left crosswind.
Start your left cross on 64 Charlie.
Cessna 071, follow the Cessna ahead of you into the left crosswind.
We'll follow that traffic into the left crosswind, 071.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, the Cessna departing is westbound. Make a right downwind departure to the north, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 17, right downwind departure to the north, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Final's clear, runway's clear, we have the upwind traffic in sight. Your right turn.
Tacoma Tower, Cessna 3506 Tango is reporting over Gig Harbor.
Cessna 06 Tango, runway 17, clear to land.
Runway 17, clear to land, 06 Tango.
Cessna 6 November Delta, 556 November Delta, west departure approved, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
17, clear for takeoff, west departure approved, 556 November Delta.
Up we go.
Pilatus 5 Mike Charlie, your next taxi up and hold short to runway 17.
5 Mike Charlie.
Taxi light off, gear coming up. Gear's up. Props coming back.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, traffic just ahead and to your right is westbound. There's additional Cessna traffic on the right downwind northbound at 1,600.
Yeah, we have the traffic ahead in sight. We're going to turn behind you at 46 Foxtrot.
Tacoma Tower 1664 Charlie, this will be a full stop terminate.
Skyx 64 Charlie, roger, continue downwind, you'll follow a Cessna on a 3 mile final.
We'll follow Cessna on a 3 mile final, 64 Charlie. Tacoma Tower, November 736 Hotel Bravo is holding short, runway 17 in sequence, westbound departure.
Cessna 736 Hotel Bravo, Tacoma Tower, roger, hold short, runway 17.
Holding short, runway 17, 736 Hotel Bravo.
Pilatus 65 Mike Charlie, make a left downwind departure to the north, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
17 clear for takeoff, left downwind departure, 65 Mike Charlie, thank you.
Cessna 6 November Delta, continue southbound.
We'll continue southbound, 606, this is the 556 November Delta.
And Cessna 6 November Delta, do you have the Bonanza traffic just ahead and to your right in sight?
Affirmative, 556 November Delta.
Cessna 6 November Delta, west turn out approved behind that traffic.
West turn out approved, 556 November Delta. Tacoma Tower, 5073 November, Anderson, inbound, full stop, Delta. Tacoma Tower, Skycatcher 6029 Victor, Pretty Bridge with Delta, inbound, full stop.
Skycatcher 6029 Victor, make a left 360 over the per.
Boeing Airport, suspect traffic above you on final. Use caution, missed approaches require overflight of the runway at or below 1,500. Dotems, taxiway Alpha centerline markings, non-standard between Alpha 7 and Alpha 8. All aircraft feedback hold short instructions. Advise initial contact, await this information, Sierra. Simultaneous approaches in east.
Okay, we have information Sierra 301 set twice.
Tower, helicopter 447 Romance Charlie has traffic sight. Looks like it's west of the field here inbound. Helicopter 7 Romance Charlie, A-firm, just maneuver to pass behind that traffic, please.
How's this radio, 78 Mike?
78 Mike, loud and clear, traffic 2 north of you, helicopter has you in sight, will pass behind. Continue in right base for runway 14 left. Runway 14 left, clear to land, acknowledge.
14 left, clear to land, 78 Mike.
Okay, fuel selector's over, lights are where we want them. Gauges are good. Altimeters are all set up for the Blake arrival.
Helicopter 7 Romeo Charlie, caution wake turbulence will be a Challenger departing runway 14 right, spot 8 cleared to land, wind 1803. Caution wake turbulence, spot 8 cleared to land, Center Romeo Charlie. Spot 625 Mike Charlie, Boeing Tower, enter right base, runway 14 right. Right base for 14 right, 625 Mike Charlie. That's okay if we take it out through the middle of the bay here for noise abatement. 5 Mike Charlie, approved as requested. As requested, 5 Mike Charlie, thanks guys. Red Barn 877, contact tail departure. Departure, good day, Red Barn 877.
Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Blake Island, information Sierra landing.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower fly, the, actually, do you have traffic ahead and to your right to about 3 miles, Pilatus in sight?
Not yet, 46 Foxtrot.
Alright, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, in that case, just fly the Blake arrival for now. I'll have further instructions as you approach.
Okay, Blake arrival for now, 46 Foxtrot. Go ahead and get approach flaps out. Speed checks.
Number 78 Mike, contact ground point, Niner. And Bonanza 46 Mike, over North Alki Beach, Pilatus. Correction, 46 Foxtrot, over North Alki Beach, Pilatus, turning final, 1,500, report that traffic in sight, plan to pass behind them, safe parking.
Okay, we're looking for that Pilatus, and we go to the midfield hangars, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger, you can plan to follow that Pilatus in.
We'll follow the Pilatus, we're still looking, 46 Foxtrot.
Right. Pilatus 5, Mike Charlie, caution wake turbulence for departed Challenger, wind 1503, runway 14 right, clear your land.
14 clear to land, 5 Mike Charlie, we're heading for Modern.
Pilatus 5, Mike Charlie, roger, long landing approved, Alpha 9 exit approved.
Alpha 9, 5 Mike Charlie.
We're still looking for the Pilatus. We're going to widen out here toward Alki.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger. They are on 2 mile final if that helps. Presently 11 moving at 12 o'clock for 2 miles.
Okay, and we're slowing down. Still looking, 46 Foxtrot.
Right.
Okay, speed checks. We'll go ahead and put the gear down. Green. Below 2,000. All the lights were on. 3 green. Approach flaps.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, spacing looks good. You can just continue in the right base. Traffic 1 mile, final number 2 following them, runway 14 right. Clear to land, wind 140 at 3. Just be advised, they're going to do a long landing, so if they will put it right down on the numbers for me.
Okay, we'll aim for the numbers. Clear to land 14 right, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. And the Pilatus is in sight now.
Copy all, thank you.
Boeing Tower 604 Victor Golf, holding short of 14 right, ready for takeoff.
Comes 604 Victor Golf, Boeing Tower, good afternoon, stand by, 2 arrivals.
Standing by for Victor Golf.
We're 3 green.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, spacing looks even better. Long landing is approved for you as well if you like. Bravo 4 or 5 exit.
Okay, we'll plan Bravo 4 or 5, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Thanks.
Thank you. Pilatus 5 Mike Charlie, turn left at Alpha 9, contact ground point 9, good day.
Alpha 9 to ground, 5 Mike Charlie.
Final looks clear. Runway's clear.
Alger 4 Victor Golf. Might expect a few minute delay. They got a departure off the satellite airport. Victor Golf.
Full flaps, speed checks. 3 green. Final 3 green, a little high because we're landing long. Speed's good.
Tower just before its radiant sequence on 14 right.
The B4 Boeing Tower, just awaiting IFR release. They got a departure off satellite airport, might be just a couple minutes.
Okie dokie.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, contact ground point 9, have a great day.
We'll go 46 Foxtrot, thanks. Clear left and right.